Habaikan beginong patai kubor, semput Menteri Rang Bak Kejela ubak Prestone Tensong uloong bagi Sorkar kan kemi biang batkan pulih benia halor ke roster system. Bat kadang yat yang kena kebentah ke pedai bat kena kamat. Uloong bagi Sorkar kan selalu mekejinglang bat barok kisengsan pertai benekran halor ke roster system ndrai syua bikin le ekani kinekran bat yatai sani bah haka kenhun Menteri bat ansi yatai sani bah haka kenhun jong Sorkar MDA. Haka bedai bagajing dawa jengki babun ban penkelano ek reservation policy jong kejela usembut Menteri Rangba uloong ba ban penkela lane ban amen kan ommi namar bakam dekaan Henry kedai tangka polisi ke Belawan Rak bat sedang naduk kesnem syajar kendai sepatnya puar uloong ba ulayai bakawai kesengsan pertai kela dawa bade ban penlong ya kedorbar bakerpang ya keba dan kami yai latno satang nada ke Sorkar kedon jing temu ban penkelano ya kenu-kenu kaan Ubak Prestone Tensong uloong bagajing sokia jengki babon balang bat gipat ba kadai halor ke roster system bat kiladawa badai ban penterekam nang ne Shakhmat om naduk kisnem giba mensyua. Harga bedai bagajing dawa keseng VPP ubak Prestone Tensong uloong baga VPP kebuk syarut ke roster system ndrai kebuk Shakhmat ke reservation policy. Ubak Prestone uloong baya mentahi umpat kuat banong AA naman ke Sorkar kan pelajengmut syua tang harga bedai bat ke roster system.
Right now, the duty of the government is to again revisit and study properly about the roster system, and we are on the job. And very soon, most likely, maybe the month of May, all political party meeting will be called by the government. And not only that, before doing that, we will have a detailed discussion in the cabinet. We'll have also a detailed discussion within the MDA partners who are also part of the government. This is not the act, it is only a policy. And this policy has been started right from 1972. So the question of, even I saw one political party, they demanded that we should have special session, which is not at all needed, except if we intend from the government to amend the act, the existing act, the highest authority to agree to the amendment means it is the Legislative Assembly. See, just demanding that we have to review the restoration policy, it is not as simple as that. It is not at all as simple as that. So, when you talk about roster system, yes, now the government is seriously examining this issue. And once that is done, cabinet will sit down, MDA will sit down, and then ultimately we will invite all political parties, and then we will invite also all the stakeholders in one go, where we will explain exactly what is the roster system, how is it taking effective, is it retrospective or is it prospective. Because right now, as I said to you, the concern of the stakeholders, the concern of the people of the state is about the roster system, that it should be implemented prospectively, not retrospectively. I think that is the main core issue. I've seen it even quite a number of NGOs in the state. They demanded the same way, the same thing. But when you talk about the reservation policy, that's what the first agenda for the government is, the roster system. So I'll not be able to tell you exactly about the reservation policy, because VPP, they demanded that they keep aside the roster system, and their priority is reservation policy. And reservation policy right now, as I said to you, I will not say anything, because now the focus of the government is on roster system.
Sembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejela ubak Prestone Tensong uloong bagi Sorkar jela kali opdiang ya kasiti ke balapha dekat Harijan Panchayat Komiti kabal kentat ya kejing terwa. Henry ke Sorkar jela kan ya Shakhmat hagaban Pynkynriah iki brio ke basyong basa Them Metor. Uloong bagi Sorkar keladap ban pha iki kot kisla show Advocate General Kejela bat hadian buladap ban pulia benia ken sasyong ya kejing elang. La ban kedauhang ni baka Harijan Panchayat Komiti hakatayo ke balalej kalapha ke siti sya ke Sorkar jela hakabakala kentat ke jing terwa ke Sorkar ban Pynkynriah no iki na Them Metor sya ke wei pat gejaka ke bala Pynkynriah ke Sorkar.
We received a letter on the 20th of this month. They sent a letter, and then their stand is very clear that they don't accept their blueprint presented by the government, sent by the government to all of them. Okay, so that is the case right now. So if you ask me whether the government will go ahead with the proposal, the proposal is very clear. Relocation, as I said to you from day one, relocation has to take place. Whatever you say, relocation has to take place.
Uba Prestone uba kami ekatenat korban ri gejela uloong bagi Sorkar jela kan pentingna bagi zero level ke debendan habarok ko bagi jela. Bat on lek ke beteng persya gibati bat kai bia nya uduyong. Uloong bagi jing temu jong ke Sorkar jela kalong ke masyai kedar. Lagre ke Sorkar ke belalej, ne ke Sorkar ke bamenta. Bat ula keren bagi kenhon high level kam de bandon, bat ula pentingna bagi zero level ke debendan habarok ko bagi jela. Hakabede bat ke hukum ka bala pedemi dak yang syari banbo ya shpot ligi company ke Central Armed Police Force CAPF ban kemi ki bakhayi udo yong blati be an uba Prestone tensong uloong bag Sorkar jela klada pha dak jing tho sak Sorkar pedeng hakapor ke belalet kat kum gejing betha jong yang syari ban pen biang ya gejing ajing syakri di Central Industrial Security Force CISF bat ya mentahi ompat lak banong ye lak Sorkar pedeng kan lan em ban pen biang ya gejela dak CAPF. Uba Prestone tensong ula kamru bakam don syo gejing khayi ya udo yong ha gejela. Bat kino-kino kebedan kti ha kaban khayi be an ya udo yong ha kisurok ken sya kurup bat sya kem lot kat kum ki kendon an.
We have already requested from the government of India, but they cannot provide us the services of these people. So again, even with this order force, I still don't know yet whether they'll be able to provide us the services of these people or not. So right now I can't say anything. Well, the intention is very clear from the government side, be it the last term or be it this new term. But I'm very clear about it. That so-called high-level committee should not be there. And in fact, on the ground, it is not there. And I'll make sure that zero level prevails throughout the state of Meghalaya. Whoever transport or whoever taking the movement of coal trucks on the road, they'll be seized and they'll be arrested as per law.
Uba Prestone tensong ulapan pau bagi Sorkar jela kan selum mega jingalang bat kilai tli ki Autonomous District Council jong ke jela haswa ban Pynkynriah ha ke bedai bat gejing terwa ke Sorkar pedeng ban penkela thamai kendon jong ke 6th schedule ke riti sensyari. Uba Prestone tensong ulong bo ula kentui ke District Council bakin syong ya ke jingalang bat ban ai gejing ai jingmut ke Sorkar jela. Bat komba kalong menta ki District Council rengkat bagi Sorkar jela ki persya ajur ya ke Village Council bat ya ke unrepresented tribe.